a lead code medium level problem which says longest substring without repeating character. So the question says we have to return the longest substring without any duplicate characters. What does it mean? Let me just open Excalibur or something to explain it. I've never used Excalibur before. I'm trying this for the first time. Hmm, I think I should have done this before starting the video. Sorry. Um, I'm just trying to find where I can make it dark. The thing to be dark. Hmm. Fine. Okay. So we have a string. Um, I think I'll be good at this before or after 2, 3 videos. Hmm. We have a string. Um, let's try it. We have what's happening. So we have a string which is um. Let me check again. Which is this. Hmm. So we have this string. Just look at this one, and we have to return a substring which has the longest substring which has no repeating characters. And from this we can say we have ABC and again ABC, or you can say CDA or BCA, whatever you can say, where we can see any repeating character. So from here I can conclude that this string only has three three lengths of string which have no repeating characters. Okay. So how will we find this, or how will we implement this in code? Let's start. So the first thing coming to my mind is whenever we have a problem related to substring, we try to find all the substring and check if the condition is satisfied or not. If it is satisfied, then return whatever the question is asking. If it is not satisfied, then do whatever the question wants to do. So the main thing is the brute force always is to find all the substrings and do what the question wants you to do. But the optimized version for this can be done using sliding window, I guess. So let's see how can we do this. And this question, so let's copy it again. But I can think of a probable solution for this is we can make a hash set, because in hash set we can add values which are not repeating. Only unique values are added in a hash set. So we can add values, add characters in hashtag from the string. So we will make a hashtag of characters and integers. I'm just new to this, so it will take me a little time to get used to this. Characters. I think I need a pen for this. आप कहाँ से देखते हैं? Whatever it is, a character and an integer. Hashtag, let's say S. S is the hashtag. Now we'll iterate on this string and we will add each character in this hash set. Like let's say we were on this our pointer. Let's say our pointer was I. So firstly I will be here at A. We will check if our set contains A or not. If it does not contains A, let's make a set here. Um, let's say this is our stack. Does it contain A? No. If it does not contain A, add it in the hash set and make it. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Uh, I have made a little mistake here. Ah, we don't need this because this is the syntax of a map and we are not using map here. We are not using map. We are using hash set, right? So we will just make a hash set of characters and we will add characters if the set does not contain it. Okay. If set does not contain it, then add it in the set. Now move on to the next letter, next character. Does the set contains it? No. Add it. It is looking something like star, but I don't know if hashtags are also stored like this. C is here or not? No. We'll add C. Now we have reached here. Does it contain A? Yes, it does contain A. Now what will we do? So we have made a pointer I which was moving from here to here. We can also say, let's say R, not I, R, because it will be easy for us to understand R representing right and a pointer L, which will be representing our left. So we have R and L. Initially both were 0. Now R is at this index, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, R is at 3, and L is still at 0. Now we have encountered a character which is actually present in the set before adding this. So what we'll do is we will iterate from the beginning again till we have removed the repeating character, till we do not have any repeating character in the set. So our L will be here in Abhi right now. So what we will do is we will remove this A and we will make L plus plus. Now L plus plus, just wait a sec. Now we will keep repeating this until we do not have this repeating character in our set. Now A is removed, we have no repeating character in the set. So we will move out from this loop and now what we'll do is move our R to here and we'll check, does our set contain this B? Yes, it does contain B. Now we'll again repeat the same thing. We will remove this B from here increase our L and add this B. We have not added the last A, and we will add this B to the set. Now, what am I missing? I'm missing. We have to find the maximum length of the longest substring with no duplicate characters. So we have to maintain a length variable also, in which we can store the maximum length. So we'll make max length or whatever you can name it. We'll make a max length, and we will whenever we are adding anything to the substring, we will check if the length or the set size is greater than the last max. If it is greater than the last max, we will make it the max right now. And if it is not greater than the set size, then the max will remain the same. We will keep doing this procedure until our R reaches n. I hope you guys understand this. Now let's code this. So here we are. Now we'll code it as we have discussed the logic. So firstly we have to do what we have to do is make a hash set of integers. Sorry, characters. Because we will be storing characters in this set. Characters. Let's name it as equals to new hash set. Um, Please avoid doing these little mistakes. I make a lot of this, so I'm telling you so that you don't forget it. And we will have to make a variable L, which will be initialized by 0, and a variable max length or count, whatever you can say. And again, it will be 0 right now. Now we will iterate in the string. Let's name this r equals to 0, and it will go till the last character of the string, the length, as capital N GTS. One thing I would like to mention is always remember these parentheses, because I always make this mistake. I forget these parentheses whenever I'm finding the length of a string. Please don't do that. And R plus plus. Now, moving forward, what do we have to do is we have to check if the set contains a list of character I. This is a function which will tell you the character at the ith index in this string, and we are not using I, we are using R. So write R here. If it contains, let's just tell it है. जब तक उसमें present है, what will we do is we will remove it from the set. Function to remove this is this. No, we'll remove the character at L. And till when do we have to do this? Until we do not have any repeating character in the set. And increase L. And if it does not, if it is not present in the set, we will simply add it in the set. And we will check if max dot max Next, we'll compare it with the set size. I think we are done. Now we'll just return max. I think we are done with this. Let's try to run this. So we have an error. What is it saying? Hmm. Okay, okay, okay. We are missing out. We have one less parenthesis. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, so sorry. Let's make it. We can- we have to name it. We have to change the name everywhere now. Why do I make this? Let's try now. Uh, what's wrong here? Why doing something wrong? Okay, I got the problem. So using the wrong name, they had max L here, and we use max L. So I have removed L. Let's try it now. Okay, let's submit it. It's done. So just let's summarize the logic again. We had this substring. We had to return the longest substring with no repeating characters. So what we did was we made a hashtag. We added characters in this, and whenever we encountered a repeating character, what we did was we start removing the characters from the beginning until we have removed the repeating character. Okay, and then we'll just compare the maximum length with the set size and we'll return it. That was the whole question. I hope I was able to explain this